Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. By being meticulous about what went into building this Escalade, you can get whatever you want out of it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac, second to none. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.